Hello family, I have a 3-car garage home that I must show you today. This home is the William floor plan by Toll Brothers. It is located both in Griffith Lakes, but also in their community in Indianland, South Carolina. It's a single-story home that's just over 2,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and again, I told you a 3-car garage. When you come in, you saw that wide foyer area, that hallway, and right to the right, you have your first bedroom, which is actually an ensuite. Now, as we go through this home, I want you to pay attention to whether this home works for your lifestyle. Don't really be too focused on the countertops and the finishes because it's Toll Brothers. It's going to be nice, it's going to be immaculate. First thing you notice is, again, single-story home, ranch. As you go down the hallway, you have a coat closet. This home is perfect for aging in place, and your resale pool down the road is substantially larger because you get the older demographic and the younger demographic. We just looked at bedroom number 2, and this is bathroom number 2. Now this home is not finished, it's not complete, but it's about 85–95% there. What I love about this home right here is this, what many people would just say is a little flex space. I think this is actually a sanctuary. It's one of those places where if you work from home, you can make it your dedicated office, or if you have kids running around, you can put all their stuff in there. Now look at your kitchen, huge island, tons of functional space and countertop in this kitchen. Can you envision your family gathering around this kitchen, enjoying each other in this open living space? And as I said, it's Toll Brothers. You're gonna get top of the line finishes in this collection. You have your laundry room with a sink. And now let's take a look at this 3-car garage. As we're heading into, this was the eating area, and we're looking at the living room right now. I like the delineation with the carpet and the LVP, where you know exactly where the living room is, and then you have a dining area right here. Now let's go outside or under this covered lanai, which is very spacious. Perfect for enjoying the outdoors, relaxing. I can picture screening that in, even putting a heater out there if you so choose. And now we're headed to the primary bedroom. It's positioned on its own side of the home, which is necessary and critical for single-story homes to have that separation between the primary bedroom and the secondary bedrooms. Walk in, you have dual vanity, 2 separate vanities, and this huge, beautiful, gorgeous shower. Now we're going into the walk-in closet, and you have access to the laundry room, which is very functional. What I really like about this floor plan is that each bedroom has its own full bathroom. Let me know your thoughts regarding this home, and if you're interested, reach out to me and we can walk through this home with the Carolina Wealth System and see if it's a good buy, if it's a good decision for you and your family moving forward. My contact information is on the screen, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk soon.